Quitting drinking alcohol is not easy. It can actually be scary because if you're like me, when I was a drinker, I was like, I don't know, man, you want me to get rid of this thing that's been a part of my life for so long? Like, it's my trusty pal. It's there when I want to celebrate. It's there when I need to take the edge off. I mean, it's part of my life. It can be scary to think about, shit, what's that going to look like? How am I going to socialize? How am I going to have fun? All these thoughts and fears come up. And yeah, let's not deny it. It's scary, because if it wasn't scary, you wouldn't have a problem. You'd just stop drinking, right? But here's the deal. I think it's scarier to not do something about it, to just sit and stay in a miserable place. If that's where you're at with alcohol, that's scary to me, because imagine a year from now, 5 years from now, if you don't stop drinking, what's going to be happening then? It's not going to get better. And the good news about quitting drinking is it's only scary and difficult for a little bit. And then your whole world opens up. So sit with some discomfort now to get your whole life, or stay in the discomfort for the rest of your life. It's your choice.